What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everything is fine in your life. Alright, and if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash that like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna make a very simple RNB slash trap beat. It's gonna be a very upbeat, happy kind of sounding beat. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with that. Okay, I'm gonna increase the tempo maybe to 140. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to repeat this and change the rhythm again at the end here. Let's go with go to 16 note. Okay, cool. So now let's add snare. So the snare is going to be simple as well. Let's draw the pattern here. Okay, I want to have like a snare roll here. Let me try to bring this up here. That's better. I like that. Let's repeat that. Okay, let's add hi-hat. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's cool. Here. Okay, I'm gonna get another hi-hat. Okay, I'm gonna have a triplet 16 note here. And yeah. Okay, let's repeat that, change the rhythm at the end again. So let's go with 16 here, and I want to move this up. Oh. Nice. So let's repeat that. Let's add some chords. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's add an 808. Okay, let's add some melody, maybe like a synth. Okay, let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. So let's go to the track version, create a new one. Let's render these bells. Okay. I'm gonna transpose this up. Okay guys, that's it for today. A very simple beat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.